Oh, okay. Any mistakes?
Yeah, in the Tatiya Patama. Yeah.
Tatiya Paṭṭhāna.
Sahajata, it should be six, not five.
Tatiya Paṭṭhāna Sahajata 6. Oh, wait, Payota? No.
Yeah, it's Ainyamaya and Vipayutta.
Oh, Tatiya Paṭṭhāna, right?
Yes.
Tatiya Paṭṭhāna. Yes, Inyamiya Vipayota. Yes, Inyamiya Vipayota.
So the
Okay,
group Pachaya is 25,
25,
and the 24 Pachaya is 14. Actually, 14 is not.
14.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
And Tatiya Dutiya.
Tatiya Dutiya. Okay,
So the 24 Pachaya, we have 18.
18,
Yes.
18. We at what?
18. So we have those 14 from the previous, so 14 from the Tatiya Patama, and
Hmm.
we add Samvayukta Vipaka, Jhana, and Asevana. That's 18.
Okay. Mm. I think for this one, it will be difficult to do the TV. Huh?
Yeah, it's too many cases. And then for the Tatiya Dutiya Tatiya, right?
Tatiya, Dutiya, Tatiya.
Yeah, it should be 17, not 16.
Oh, oh,
Yeah.
17. Mhm.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Patama Tatiya. So, Dutiya, Tatiya
Yeah.
Bara. Dutiya, Tatiya Bara. Dutiya, Tatiya Bara. Dutiya, Tatiya, Patama.
Okay.
Dutiya, Tatiya, Patama. Avitaka, Vicharamato, Avitaka, Avicharocha, Dhamma. Savitaka, Savichara, Sadhamasa. Aramana Pichina Picho, Sajata, Pichina Picho, Upanisa, Pichina Picho, Purichata, Pichina Pichio. No, is it the same? Which one? Not the same?
No, it's not the same. It's similar.
No. uh, Aramana,
Aramana, and then Sahajata,
Upanisa,
Upanatiya, and then the
Puri.
three Mitsakas, right?
Huh?
We have three Mitsakas. Oh, sorry, just one Mitsaka, Sahapure. Oh,
No.
yeah, Sahabure. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah,
Saha?
Sahapure.
No. Dutiya, Tatiya, Patama, right?
Sidutiya, Tatiya, Matama. Yeah, Sahapure.
Oh. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Sahapuri. Oh, no, Sahajata, Puricata. Huh?
Sahajata. Yeah, we have Sahajata, but we
Yeah.
don't have Purejata.
Okay. 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 Uh, Aramana. How many?
Ramana is three.
Aramana, three.
Saha
Sahajata.
is six. We have Enya, Menya, and
Six.
Vipaka.
Okay. Inya, minya, wipaka. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. What about Upanishad?
Then we
Six.
have six.
Six. Six. Sahaburi makes up three.
Yes. Well, oh, yes, that's right. Yes.
Okay. So, altogether,
All together, huh?
18.
Yeah, all together 18.
18 and 24. Picture.
Let's say 9, right? It's it's 9. Oh no, it's nine. It's 10. Right?
10. Uh,
Yes, we have 3 Aramana and 6 Saha, and we add more Ures is 10.
okay. In the Upanishad, Anandra,
Oh,
Anandra, Samanandra. Huh?
so we add more, 4 more.
Mm,
4 more is 16. Ah, sorry, 14. Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. 14. Okay. Next one. Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya. Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya. Avitaka, Vicharamatocha. Avitaka, Avicharocha, Dhamma. Avitaka, Vicharamata, Sadhamasa. Aramana, Pichina, Picho. Sahajata, Pichina, Picho. Upanisa, Pichina, Picho. Purichata, Pichina, Picho. Oh,
Dutiya, Tatiya.
right. Oh,
Dutiya, Tatiya. Tatiya, sih.
Dutiya, Dutiya,
Dutiya.
Tatiya. Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya.
Do we have Pecha?
Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya, right?
Yes.
Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya. No, yes, we have Picha, right?
Right? There should be Pecha.
Yes, yes, we
Then
have
why there
Picha.
is no Pecha?
Oh, right? Yes, we have Picha, right?
Yes.
Oh, oh,
Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya, right?
yes, yes,
Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya.
right? We have, right? Picha, right?
Yes, Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya.
Yes, Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya. In the picture, we have that one.
Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya.
Yeah.
Yes, the Pecha, right?
Picture, yes. So picture, Dutiya, Tatiya, huh? Dutiya, Tatiya. Huh?
Awitaka wicara
Awi mata awi acara cha
mataka
awi cha.
dan berdamai.
Dutiya, Tatiya, Tatiya. Huh? No, Dutiya.
Dutiya, tatiya, dutiya. It is awitaka wicara matasa. So it's a dutiya.
No, no,
Tati.
the Dutiya, Tatiya. In the picture, no, no, we don't have this one.
No adjustment.
No picture.
Let's see.
Dutiya,
Wait.
Tatiya, Tatiya. In the picture.
Oh, that is in tatiya.
Yes.
Oh,
Dutiya, Tatiya, Tatiya.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Aramana Sajata Upanisaya. Here also Sahapuri.
Yeah, that's also sahabure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sahapuri. Aramana Sajata Upanisaya.
Yeah.
Dutiya, Tatiya, Dutiya.
Yes.
Okay. Aramana also.
Aramana, aramana. Dutiya, tatiya, dutiya, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Aramana 3.
Dri Sahajata.
Sahajata is 8.
A. Oh. Okay. Excuse me. Now electricity is off. Mhm.